Hi, I'm Grant Anderson, class of 2024, and I'm the wrestling team captain. It means a lot to me. It's an honor and a privilege and a big responsibility to be team captain for the third year in a row. I know that a lot of the underclassmen look up to me for guidance and leadership, and I just hope that I plan to be the best role model I can for them. I'm fascinated by dinosaurs. Ever since I was 4, I would learn facts and trivia about them, and I was intrigued by how big they were and just how long ago they lived. My favorite picture from my time at Jesuit was the 2023 season with at our home dual meet. I invited a friend of mine, LJ Brannon, to come take pictures for the team. And during my match, I knew I could beat the kid. And so I was putting on a show, and I put him on his back, and I looked for Johnny in the audience, and I flashed him this big smile, and he captured the perfect picture. Wrestling instilled in me that it is very important to have a routine and to stay disciplined to that routine. I think I'd want to be mentored by Desmond Doss. He was a war hero in World War II. He stood up for what he believed in, and he had great heart and determination. 5 guys. I usually get 2 double bacon cheeseburgers, large fries, and a cream soda. And I get it after every single wrestling tournament. It's just a tradition.